Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we begin, I want to give a quick shout out to Leanna. Hey girl, you were the first to comment on my last video, and I just want to say thank you so much for all of your support. So for this video, we're going to be using my Coffin long full nail covers. These are soft gel full nail covers, and I do sell them in my Etsy shop. If you guys are interested, as always, the link is down below in the description. So starting off, all I'm going to do is take the full nail covers and I'm going to match them up to my nails. You want to make sure that they fit wall to wall, and if you come between one that's too big and one that's too small, always opt for the bigger one. And what you can do is take an emery board, a e-file, or a nail file and just size it down and shape it to fit your natural nails. So this is super easy. I'm just going in and sizing out my nails first before we begin applying the polygel. So for our polygel, I'm going to be using clear polygel. It doesn't really matter what brand you use for this because we're going to be going in with a gel polish, so you won't be able to see anything. For my slip solution, I'm going to be going in with 70% alcohol, and I got a new dapping dish. I've heard some people call them dapping dishes, but I got a new little dish. I actually purchased that from TJ Maxx. It's so adorable, and I love it because it holds my polygel brushes, as you can see here. But yeah, so all I'm gonna do is, you can be super sloppy with this. Oh, I also wanted to point out my UV/LED fingerless gloves. These protect your natural hands because you definitely want to make sure that you're protecting your hands from premature aging, wrinkling, and darkening. Because if you stick your hand in that UV LED lamp often, it can be very damaging. And I do sell these in my Etsy shop. But all I'm doing is going in with a small amount of the polygel, and we're basically using this as a glue to hold the full nail cover to our natural nails. A lot of people ask why not just use nail glue. Nail glue just isn't as secure, and it's harsh on your nails. If you leave nail glue on and ever taken like nails off, you can see your nails are very damaged, flaky, and everything. Polygel is just all around better for you, and it is a stronger hold in my opinion than using nail glue, and it's a better alternative. So that's basically all we're doing. You can be super sloppy with this. If there's bubbles in it, it really doesn't matter. All I'm gonna do is go ahead and apply those to my nails. I'm doing multiple at a time before I go in and cure with my lamp, and that's just gonna help eliminate the time that my hand is gonna be in that UV lamp. Like I said, you want to make sure that you're being cautious of that, because if you do your nails often like me, then it can definitely cause your hands to premature age, wrinkle, and darken. But like I said, I usually go in with some sunscreen, and I also use the fingerless gloves, and that works out for me. So I'm just going to go ahead and cure my hands now and then do my thumb, and I'll be right back. So now all of my nails are done. I'm going to go in with this 80/80 grit nail file. I purchased a pack of 50 of these off of Amazon actually. And I do have an Amazon storefront if you guys are interested. All of my Amazon favorites are on there. This is in my Amazon storefront. I absolutely love these 80/80 grit nail files. They're perfect. The lower the grit, the more coarse it is. So like 180 compared to 80, this 80 grit is it gets your nails shaped up faster. But you don't have to do a lot of shaping because the full nail covers do all the shaping for you, which is why I love them. But yeah, so now I'm going in with my e-file. I use the MelodySusie e-file. I did just have somebody ask me about it. I definitely recommend a MelodySusie e-file for beginners. It's what I use. I've went through a few different types of e-files, and so far MelodySusie has been my favorite. I think I do have a discount code, and it's down below in the description box. I know I'm an affiliate, but I definitely recommend MelodySusie for an e-file. I'm just going to go ahead and use a lint-free wipe and some alcohol, And I'm gonna make sure that I wipe my nails down because polygel can leave a sticky residue, so you want to make sure you're getting on top and underneath of your nails. But for our gel polish, I'm going to be using this beautiful, it's like a Barbie cotton candy type of pink color. This came in one of my Beetles gel polish kits. I do have my favorite Beetles gel polish kits on my Amazon storefront as well. I absolutely love Beetles gel polish. Beetles and MAKARRT gel polish are probably my top 2 brands for gel polishes. As you can see, I did 1 coat and it's completely covered. So I didn't file sand down my pinky because I wanted to see if there was a difference between not sanding your nails and doing gel polish versus doing it. And I honestly see no difference. Now, as in terms of longevity, if it peels off versus if it doesn't peel off, I'm not sure about that. But application wise, I saw no discrepancies. So just throwing that out there. But yeah, I'm using my alcohol and my polygel brush to clean up. As you can see, I flipped my hand upside down, and this is a trick that I learned that actually evens out your polygel. So after you do your nails, you just want to flip your hand upside down on an angle for 15 seconds, and then it evens out the polygel and it gives it the most optimal shine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my nails and I'll be right back. So for our gel polish, I'm going to use MAKARRT's top coat. I do enjoy MAKARRT's, this is Model 1's. Model 1's top coat because I love the brush applicator. It's easy. I'm just going to go ahead, top off my nails, and then hold my hands upside down for 15 seconds. But I do have one more trick that I want to show you guys, and that's going like this with my nails. It makes your nails look more snatched because the top coat can actually bulk up the sides. So I just go in with my sides, wipe them down, flip my hand over, and then I'm going to cure. So I'm going to be using my Cuticle Oil that I also sell in my Etsy shop. I love these pens. They're so fun and easy to use, and you can just throw them on in your purse, on the go. I have these everywhere. I love these cuticle pens. Today I'm using the scent Strawberry, and yeah, it's super easy. You just turn it at the bottom and click in it. It dispenses cuticle oil, so it's perfect. And here are the final results. If you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.